Good morning, first grade. Welcome to Monday. Today we're looking at lesson 38, and in our math facts today you can see that we are working with our sums of 10 and review facts. Please go ahead and make sure that your name is on the top of this paper. And then we are going to go ahead and do just two of these problems together before you get started. You'll notice the top part, part A, we'll go through two of those problems. And then at the bottom, we've got the missing add-ins again, so we'll go through one or two of those as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. How am I going to answer 3 plus 7? Well, I always like to start with the larger number and then keep counting however many I need to count. If it helps you to have your own little number line or counting line, if you want to call it that, at the top, then you go right ahead and do that if that's going to help you right now. The goal is for you to be getting better and quicker with this every day. Okay, so 3 plus 7. So I'm going to start at 7 because remember I can reverse these numbers. I can put them in opposite order. I'm going to start at 7 and I'm going to count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? I landed on 10. 3 plus 7, which is the same thing as 7 plus 3, equals 10. And then let's go ahead down here and do 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Remember that since this is a plus 9 and adding 9 problem, I can take this number here and I can say what's 1 less. And I would say 2. And then I go ahead and I put a 1 in front of it. My answer is 12. If you want to double check my work on that, start at 9 and count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. You get 12, don't you? Now looking down at the bottom, let's go ahead and look at this second problem right here. 2 plus something equals 10. You have a couple options. Remember that you can start with your sum, and then you can go backwards, however many of the add-in, whatever the number of the add-in is that you already know. So I can start at 10 because that was my sum, and I can go back 2 spots, and that would give me 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Or remember that you can also start at 2, and you can count until you get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had to move 8 spots. Okay, I got 8 here as well. Either way works out just fine. All right, friends, you're going to start at part A. Do as many as you can. I would suggest doing all of the first column, then jumping to the second column, and then jumping to the third. Or if you are one that prefers to go across, I would start here, do all 3 problems, and then move down and keep going until you are done. Try to get all the way down to the bottom. Try really hard to get all the way to group B today before the time runs out. All right, your 2-minute timer begins now. is down. Your 2 minutes are up. Your pencil is down. Please make sure that you have your favorite crayon or colored pencil, and we're going to check our work. Remember that if you have an answer that is wrong, you're just going to go ahead and put the correct answer right next to what you had. If you have one that you did not finish, then you're just going to take your crayon or colored pencil and you're going to put the correct answer in. If your answer is correct, just put a little dot next to it. Notice my dot is not huge. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to work going down in columns today. So I'm going to start right here, 3 plus 7, which is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 6, oh, I notice 5 and 6 are right next to each other when I'm counting, aren't they? They're right here. So I know that that's going to be a doubles plus 1. The smaller number is 5. That's the number I double. That makes 10, and one more is 11. 4 plus 9, 13. 6 plus 9, 15. 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. Second row. 7 plus 6 is 13. That's a doubles plus 1. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. We already did that one. Hopefully you had that answer written in. 1 plus 9 is 10. Let's go to the last column, please. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 8, that's a doubles plus 1, is 15. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 5 is 14. Let's go down and check out the bottom. 7 plus what is 10? 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. We already did that one, so you should have already had 8 there. 4 plus what is 10? 4 plus 6 is 10. Let's go to this last row. What plus 9 is 10? Well, 9 and 10 are right next to each other, so there's only room for one more spot, isn't there? Something plus 3 is 10. 7. And what plus 8 is 10? 8, 9, 10. Only 2. All right, now that we've done the front side, friends, the back side is your homework. Please put your name. It's very good practice. Read the answers, write all your answers, and then ask someone to correct your paper. They are the ones who are writing their names right here when they are done. Okay? They're writing their name. They're signing their initials. When you are done, please go ahead and put this back into your Monday folder.